All right, so here is Spill the Tea number 1. The question here is, can cultural attire be worn in political protests? So what happened ba?
Anong meron at anong nangyayari
Miss ko
dyan?
na naman
Bakit
sa'yo, Mon,
ganyan?
kasi wala ka dito. So this was on Monday, on the day of the SONA, in the morning at People's Park. There was a SONA, not exactly protest, pero not exactly pa to the SONA because the SONA had not yet happened, no? But anyway, there was this huge effigy, and then there was a young man dressed in traditional attire, wearing his wanos or bahag, and I think even with a spear, if I'm not mistaken. So because of that scene, there was a discussion that was raised by a Facebook page. It's called Tagalakandula. So Lakandula, for those who do not know, is a street in Baguio. It is known for its drinking spots, buy and sell of gold, etc. Now, this Tagalakandula Facebook page posted an appeal to fellow Cordillerans or Igorots. He used or she used the term Igorot. The post requested that people refrain from wearing native attire, especially the baag or the G-string or the wanas during political rallies, demonstrations, and acts of protest. So yun yung naging issue niya. Such
Anong
as
issue niya
burning
raw
or
dyan?
ano daw kasi, wag daw gamitin yung cultural, parang na-appropriate yung cultural attire doon sa isang politically charged na protest. Yun yung kanyang problema niya. So, ang ano doon is, there was no burning of effigies ha, bawal na yun. Actually, according nga sa police, there were around 100 people and nothing wrong happened during the event. Police nang nagsabi no na, pero kay Tagalakandula, hindi, may issue siya. May issue siya. So yun, yung posisyon ng Tagalakandula, cultural attire daw, it represents the entire Igorot community, which holds diverse political views. Yun yung sabi ni Tagalakandula. That day that Tagalakandula brought out yung point niya sa Facebook, agad-agad maraming mga
Oo naman.
Oo. Taga Bagyo pa lang, iigulot pa lang. Awan na. That will not sit well with many of them. So there was the counter-argument na about Cordilleran Native advocates or activists. There were teachers, there were writers, there were youth and cultural advocates who quickly countered this stance. Igorot culture and the bahag have never been apolitical. Why is it an issue? Ba't siya issue, di ba?
Baka naman kasi issue lang para kay Lakandula.
Mga nagbungar. Hangover pa lang. So, essentially naman, ang traditional na damit yan. Kagaya ng Levi's, kagaya ng t-shirt, kagaya ng pantalon. Pwede mo namang gamitin ang t-shirt na pang-protesta, t-shirt na pang-tulog.
Kaya nga, it's an attire. It's not a costume. It's attire, yeah.
It's not a costume, correct. So, is it? Yun yung tanong. Is it traditional dress? Is it neutral? Is it a unifying symbol reserved only for celebrations, festivals, pageantry, ginagamit sa pageant? Is it an active living tool for political expression, resistance, and self-determination? So, yun yung tanong.
Kawawa naman pala ang mga traditional attires. Masyado ng neutral. Ang alam ko lang dati neutral yung color ng ibang traditional attires like barong. Hindi, pero for this, I think masyado lang nagpaka-OA. Because our history would tell us that even before, nung nagsidatingan pa ang mga attires sa Philippines, I would remember in history classes, during the Chico River na issue sa Philippines, hindi ba nakabahag at naka-traditional attire ang mga nagbarikada noon sa Cordillera para hindi makapasok ang mga militar? Our history would tell na when we resisted, when we fought for our rights before, lagi nating suot ang ating mga bag. Pagiging apolitical pa yun. Pagkakakilanlan natin, but it doesn't represent everyone.
Hindi porke sinuot nung isa yung bahag ng igorot, lahat ng igorot ganun
Parang,
ang pananaw.
ate, parang feeling ko gusto ko nga mamasyal mamaya nang
Wag
nakabahag
ka
dito
dyan.
So,
Uy, baka may batas
carry ko
naman
ba,
dyan.
ano ba? Represent ko ba ang buong coordinate community?
Tama. Tama. Oo. Pare-pareho lang naman lahat tayo na tao. So, yun yung gusto niyang
Mm.
ipakita doon, di ba?
Mm. Igorot din naman siya, di ba?
Oo na,
Lumabas din
laban.
siya. Si
Content province.
Tagalakandula, lumabas din siya. Magbahag din siya kung gusto niyang mag-represent ng other voice.
Oo. Bakit hindi?
Di ba?
At he will not take offense.
Sa hinahaba ng panahon na ginagawa ito ng iba't ibang grupo, either kung political man, mapa-oposisyon o administrasyon,
Ayun lang siya
bakit ngayon lang
lumabas.
siya nagsalita? Bakit hindi natin sitahin si, let's say, Congressman Dumogan na laging suot ang bahag kapag may
O yung,
ginagawa rin, di ba?
meron din yung nag-graduate sa UP Baguio.
Hmm.
Suot niya yung bahag.
So,
Okay lang yun
it's
sa
really
kanya,
a
pero hindi
regular,
okay yung kabila.
correct.
Hindi
It's really a
fair.
regular attire. Medyo medyo chinecheck ko nga while you're speaking sa Facebook page niya. Grabe talaga pinanindigan niya. Pinapanindigan
Ah,
niya until now. Mm.
ah.
Medyo
Pinanindigan na
nakakalungkot.
niya, hindi na niya dinilit. Parang yung spill the tea number 2 natin. Pinapanindigan.
Parang iba. Mind you guys, I mean, this is an open country, no? Where we can discuss. Ngayon, kung meron din kayong issue, then let us know. Pag-uusapan natin yan. But for now, as we see all the facts, I just see it right now. Lalo ngayon, nandito ako sa, and biglang ganyan yung nangyari. Parang for
Mm-mm.
me, it's petty. That's number one. Number two, you're pushing also your own narratives. So parang ang nangyayari, kung ano yung gusto mong paniwalaan, yun na rin ang gusto mong paniwalaan namin, which is wrong. Totally wrong, especially in this context.
And then you cannot limit yourself only also. If you only see it through blinders, yeah, you're wearing blinders. Because if you widen your perspective, this is not the first time it's been done in New Zealand and Australia. You have the Maori,
Mm.
the Ayatayara,
Mm.
where the Maori IPs and activists, they routinely wear their traditional kakahu or their cloaks, and they perform the
Yeah.
haka. The haka
Yeah.
is performed in football games, and it's also performed inside parliament and during
Correct.
protests. Oh.
Correct.
And that's not divisive for them. Sa Scotland, di ba, the men wear skirts, which are called kilts. The Scots kept using their kilts. Why? Because it was an act of political defiance. So, live and let live. Sa akin,
It's you. Ikaw yun. Kung nagsuot ka at nag-protest ka, ikaw yun.
Opinion
Dahil
mo yun.
number one, opinion mo yun. Number one, attire natin yan. Attire mo yan. Bilang isang
Damit natin yun.
igorot. Damit mo yan.
Gamhan nga gapos, hindi dahil lang sinuot ko yon at nagprotesta ako, nirepresent ako na lahat ng igorot. Hindi. So, let them wear what they want to wear and protest what they want to protest as long as they are within the bounds of the law. And that's fine.